Would you believe me if I told you that there's a job where you make less money the more experience you gain? The auto body industry. The auto body collision industry is a dying trade. Why? Let me explain. Let's say you go to school for auto body repair, you graduate, maybe you're 19 or 20 years old, and you start your first job. You work there for a year, and now you feel confident enough that you can switch to flat rate. Now flat rate is basically production pay. The more you work, the more you produce, the more you produce, the more you make. So you start in your early 20s, making around $18 an hour. You can average around 80 hours a week, which means 1,400 bucks. I'm gonna show you the spreadsheet I made just to make this video shorter, so feel free to pause it. Now you're 40 years old, making $1,500 a week with arthritis, carpal tunnel, a bad hip, and possibly a messed up shoulder. All that standing. In conclusion, the older you get, the more experience you gain, the more complicated cars get, the slower your production is, the less money you make. What kind of a trade is this?